Hello. Welcome to Easy York. I hope you will enjoy watching. In today's tutorial, we are highlighting some of the top 5 Joomla multi-purpose template for your website. These types of templates may adopt to perform various functions such as blog, brochure, media, portfolio, entertainment and e-commerce. You can also find an article of the same on our website easyyork.com. Or you can find the templates download link below this video tutorial. Consider subscribing to Easy York by clicking the red subscribe button below this video tutorial. We from time to time upload videos offering solutions on various topics. Also don't forget to click the bell icon, for this will notify you when we upload a new video. At number 5, we have JayM Fitness Health Joomla Template. It's a single-site license installer and downloaded file contains the template, extensions, demo installer and documentation. With this template you can create a website with multiple functions such as blog, personal site, portfolio, services, presentation and gallery. With an extremely powerful framework for Joomla. 3 among tons of very helpful and powerful features. EF4 allows you to adjust the template design and layout, the most wanted features if you would like to customize the template without touching the code. The theme customizer will help to customize your template design in a minute without touching the code. Modify colors and font settings just with couple of clicks. Can't be easier. At front end you may check a sample of modification settings. Will help you to modify template to create a perfect fitness or gym site and extend the content with healthy diet tips for your customers. Help your customers to find all info how to get in good shape and health, focusing on regular exercise and healthy food. The template would be also perfect for personal trainers. It has a nice menu with mouse hover effects. It can handle multiple pages using drop-down menu. It possesses a variety of features that include admin template customization panel, content management system, in short CMS, responsive layout meaning it adapts to any screen size layout, drag and drop page builder, unlimited template color versions, code injection, and back to top button, font size switcher, logo uploader and site description, favicon uploader, sticky top and so on. The template layout is based on Bootstrap Grid, which allows scaling the template efficiently on desktop and mobile devices. What is more, you may use 12 columns Bootstrap Grid idea by using the special classes for modules. It's lightweight and very fast loading design. Get more visitors to your site thanks to SEO. Optimized code, high metric speed score. Enter the demo find link below to check high page speed results. This template is mobile-friendly and it has passed W3C validator. You can create different layouts for desktops, tablets, mobiles. Customize the template layout to suit your needs. Assign layout to menu items. It also has a theme customizer, which will help you to modify template colors and many other features. A gallery is an essential element on this template. Thanks to DJ Media Tools, you will be able to create video or images gallery in many different views, starting from a grid to simple sliders. Before updating, remember to 1. Backup your site. 2. Update extensions if listed. 3. Install the template again or just overwrite modified templates files. In my opinion, it's a nice template that can be used for any business related to kids. Thanks to many color it possesses. At number 4, we have Creativ Responsive Multi-Purpose Joomla Template. It's also single-site license template. And downloaded file contains the template, extensions, demo installer and documentation. Creativ is one of the best-selling multi-purpose responsive Joomla template. You can create any type of website like hospital, restaurant, freelancer, corporate, and e-commerce websites by using our Creativ. If you are searching for a multi-purpose template, then this is the perfect choice. Your all needs are satisfied by this single template. Creativ offers 15 different homepage layouts to match your taste. Creativ template will save you tons of time. When you are working on any type of website, it has everything you need for creating any types of business websites, from simple to complex projects, personal blog to the professional business portfolio website. Now you will be able to create complex layouts within minutes. It's built on top of modern technologies. This Joomla template is fully responsive and ready. It is based on Joomla T3 framework, which is the most popular Joomla template development framework available in the market. It supports Twitter Bootstrap, so your website will perfectly work on all devices and screen sizes like mobile, tablet, desktop. It is quite brilliantly handled by an awesome framework. It comes with 5 pre-defined color skins. You can create unlimited color theme by using theme magic setting, which is a feature of Creativ template, and make the website look awesome. Creativ has latest version of Revolution slider with all new transitions. It is easily handled by the template. Just make few steps and you will get the awesome animated slider. This Joomla template has SEO optimized with clean code and responsive design, which makes your website top in search engines for the entire world to access your products and services. This Creativ Joomla template has an awesome blogging feature which makes it interactive and interesting. Express your thoughts in a fun-filled way. It has J2 Store Joomla shopping cart extension in this template. It is fully integrated with the template. You can easily create your own online store using this incredible template and a stack of features. It has a 24/7 dedicated team, who are always ready to help with your concerns and queries on any issue. They'll do their best to find a perfect solution, and customers' satisfaction is their priority. At number 3, we have SJTopDeal, responsive multi-purpose Joomla template. It's also single-site license template. And downloaded file contains the template, extensions, demo installer and documentation. SJTopDeal is a multi-purpose e-commerce Joomla template with clean and modern design. The e-commerce template based on this flexible Helix 3 framework that offers unlimited possibilities and customization configuration options. The responsive Joomla 3 template comes with Joom shopping component that allows you simply build and control your online store. It can be converted to any type of online store that you wish. Moreover, with SP Page Builder, free version, you can quickly create stunning subpages. SJTopDeal uses latest shortcode plugin that helps you create awesome content quickly without much coding knowledge required. If you are looking for a multi-purpose e-commerce theme, SJTopDeal is the best solution to start. 1. Compatible with IE 10+, Firefox, Safari, Opera and Chrome. 2. SP Page Builder free version. 3. Visual Page Builder. 4. Support responsive layout. 5. Joom shopping component. 6. Helix 3 framework. 7. Support various font family as well as Google Fonts. 8. Support many styles for responsive menu, mega menu and off-canvas menu. 9. Allow to set JavaScript for menus, set start, and level and keep on top. 10. Support many extensions. 11. Social integrated. 12. Typography and various module variations. 13. Use lazy load for handling large images. 14. HTML5 validation. 15. Support shortcodes. 16. Support lists. 17. 100% table-less design, based on CSS3. 18. Optimize CSS, JS, HTML, merge file. At number 2, we have Utouch Startup, Multipurpose Business Technology and Digital Marketing Joomla template. It's also single-site license template. And downloaded file contains the template, extensions, demo installer and documentation. Utouch is an amazing startup multi-purpose Joomla template for IT companies, businesses, digital marketing, digital technology and SaaS agencies. It comes with the most popular page builder for Joomla templates, SP Page Builder Pro, that enables you to create beautiful pages and layouts fast and easy without coding. This Utouch Joomla template comes with SP Page Builder Pro. It makes it easy to modify and adjust any element of the template with ease with little or no coding experience required. It makes your website look the way you want it to by customizing it using our built-in add-ons and preset templates. The template comes with a powerful admin interface to help you build gorgeous and creative websites. It provides your mobile users with the best mobile experience. Utouch Joomla template comes with a mobile off-canvas menu which doesn't not compromise on the layout on any mobile devices. It helps get more visitors by making the content of your website fully visible for search engines. All the elements look crisp and sharp on a Retina display screen. The template improves your website usability using sticky header feature. Main menu and logo will always be at the top of the screen, automatically following when user will scroll down. Easily turn the sticky header on or off in template options panel. Utouch Joomla template comes with an inbuilt compression setting which allows you to compress almost all CSS and JS template and Joomla files, which as a result will improve speed up of your website. Furthermore, you can use JayM to further improve the loading speed of your website. You can build your e-commerce storefront using J2 and the integrated shop styling in this template. Featured portfolio functionality with masonry grid layout, beautiful animations and flexible settings. It comes with a powerful and advanced mega menu. You can create multiple menus, up to 5 columns, an off-canvas menu. This template comes packed with canvas, a modern Kunina 5 template that smoothly blends in with the color style of this template. At the first position is Flex, Joomla Multipurpose template. Flex is a bestseller, super flexible, multi-purpose Joomla template that can fit in any type of website you are building. It is clean, responsive, includes drag and drop layout and page builder and comes packed with powerful options. With stunning animations and eye-catchy layouts, Flex will help you draw attention of visitors at first sight. Flex is best-selling Joomla template on ThemeForest in 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. Here are the reasons why. 1. It's compatible with latest versions of Joomla 3.9 and VirtueMart 3.6. 2. Powerful Helix 3 framework made with Bootstrap 3.4.1. 3. Drag and drop layout builder and SP Page Builder Pro integration. Flex is coming with fantastic page builder, very easy to use and to edit. Only with drag and drop you can create complex layouts. With lightning fast SP Page Builder you can easily customize your website just in few clicks. Fastest and the most powerful drag and drop builder available. 69 plus add-ons included: carousels, slider, buttons, gallery, team, tabs, flipbox, accordions, countdown, animated number, modals, timeline, person, pricing, pipe progress, Google Maps and Ajax contact forms, call to action, buttons, testimonials and more. 4. New exciting add-ons, from Flex 3.6 version: slideshow, form builder, image layouts, articles scroller, such as 9 custom add-ons, carefully built specially for Flex, animated headlines, Plyor, HTML5 media player, slick slider, carousel, lightbox gallery, bootstrap modal, pretty photo modal, icons, testimonials Flex, latest posts. 5. Fully responsive design with 7 unique home layouts. Full window background and on-page layouts included. 6. Newsletter integration. It also has added support for a emailing newsletter, because we know that email works a lot better than any other online marketing tool. 7. SP Cookie Consent plugin will help you to implement cookies alert box anywhere on your website, in order to meet GDPR privacy policy. 8. Multi-purpose app smart layer slider included. 9. Portfolio component dash advanced, custom-built version of SP Simple Portfolio with additional 2 styles for filter, tags, lightbox gallery, and custom dimensions for videos and lightbox gallery. Perfect portfolio solution for designers, photographers, artists, professionals and all kinds of creative business. 10. VirtueMart 3.6.0 integrated. VirtueMart turns your Joomla site into a powerful and full-featured e-commerce system. You can create online shops and online catalog with ease. Configure the extension to handle multiple products and categories and support a wide range of shipping and payment options. 11. Multiple headers. Flex comes with several header layouts to match your personal taste. Classic header with navigation, centered or inline, transparent with video background, white, colored or something more complex, and place your ads and banners inside header. 12. Lazy loading for images included in template, with option of enable or disable in templates admin. 13. Mega menu builder and off-canvas menu. 14. Vertical accordion menu for all module positions. Native vertical accordion menu is now a part of template, no need to buy extra module. 15. 8 article post formats, standard, video, gallery, audio, SoundCloud and Mixcloud, link, quote, status and custom. Each can be customized in the article manager to individualize your feel for blogging. 16. Sticky header with main menu. Improve your website usability using sticky header feature. Main menu and logo will always be at the top of the screen, automatically following when user will scroll down. Easily turn the sticky header on or off in template options panel. 17. Unlimited colors. 8 preset styles allows you to choose your own colors. Beyond that, using custom CSS allows you to override all used color presets. 18. Retina Perfect. Perfect pixels and vectors looking great on higher resolution devices like Retina or 4K display. 19. Logo options. From template settings you can choose logo type, logo position, logo image, also for Retina screens, and upload logo used only for mobile devices. 20. Social icons and share. 21. Integrated social comments. 22. Custom